In this video, I will show you step by step how you can speed up your clips inside CapCut. As you can see right here, I've got a clip and it is currently at 1 times speed, which is the obviously normal speed of the clip itself. So what we want to do once we have added our clip to our timeline is we want to come down and we want to double click on this or select our clip if we are on, a mobile device or iPad or whatever you're using it on. And then what you'll get is you'll get this little menu right here. Sometimes it will be down at the bottom on mobile. So what we can do is go up to the top right corner, select speed, and here is where you'll now get a speed wheel. Now what you can do is you can put in your speed into this box, or you can manually adjust it with this speed wheel. So if we put it up to 5 times speed, and then we go ahead and play the clip, as you'll notice now, the clip is now in a faster speed. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can speed up your clip inside CapCut.